All right, so this is really, really good, right? All you have to do is to send your link to me. That's all, right? That's all you needed to do. Send your link to me, and I will start sending traffic to your link immediately, guys. It's powerful. It's powerful. And this is what our members are gaining. And this is awesome. Look, the system is the easiest way for you to start making money online. Where we do all the work, you keep all the money to yourself. It's crazy. So it's very, very easy. All you have to do, go to my profile. There's a link there. Click that link. Now, once you click the link, all you need to do is to join the team builders program. That's all, because that's the only people we accept, right? So you join the team builders program, you pay your one-time setup fee to become a permanent team builder, right? Now, once you become a permanent team builder, you just send your link to me, and then our team will start promoting your link for you. This is the best high ticket system ever, because with the team builders program, you could earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. That is what we are enjoying, right? Look, we are solving all the problem of, I don't know how to promote, I don't know how to get traffic, I don't know how to recruit, I don't know how to sell. Look, all those I don't know doesn't matter with us, right? Because we are going to promote your link for you. We are going to send traffic to your link, promote your link for you. The Team Builders program is going to do all the email follow-up for you. They are going to invite your leads to webinars. They are going to close the sale for you. And then all you wait for is commission, right? You just make the money. Look, it's very important for us to help you get sale, right? Even though I cannot guarantee sales, but to me, it's very, very important to me that you get sales, because every time you make sales, I earn second tier commissions. Do you see the power of that? So that's why I work so hard to get you sales. Because every time you make a sale, I make second tier commissions, guys. It's powerful. So it benefits me for you to progress in the system, right? So, one, I'm helping you to build your business, build your email list, try to get you sales. But the beauty is that every time I build your business for you, I also make money also, right? There's this second tier commissions. That's why you must join through my link for me to be able to promote your link for you. If you don't join through my link, then there's nothing I can do. Look, we are tweaking the funnel. We are doing a lot. We are getting traffic just to be able to send those traffic to you as our team member, right? So, like I said, this is a very simple way to make money online. Simple way to build a lasting business online. If you know me, I don't join any business. I focus on one. And if you know, I've been focused on the team builders so far within a very short, over 10 grand, right? So you too can really do well, right? If you decide to join team builders today through my link. So it's very simple. Go to my profile, click that link, put in your name and your email address, and then join Team Builders today. And then once you have joined Team Builders, once your account has been set up, just give me your link, and then we start promoting your link for you for free. I'm not going to charge you a dime. I'm going to do it all free. We have a very powerful team, and we are generating traffic everywhere, on Facebook, on YouTube, on solo ads, everywhere. We are generating traffic every day, and we're just going to give those traffic, part of those traffic, to you. All right, guys, if you have questions, leave it in the comment section, okay? Or no, privately DM me. We can chat on DM, right? That's better. And and that's that, right? If you like this live, click the like button. also click the share button, because we want a lot of people who are not able to promote, who don't know how to promote, who are having all these challenges. We want to help them out. And this is the best way to do it, by doing it for them. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.